A DPWH official confirms the District of Davao City Representative Paulo Duterte received 51 billion pesos worth of infrastructure projects during former President Rodrigo Duterte's last 3 years in Malacanang. DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral confirmed the amount during the House of Representatives probe on Tuesday, September 9. At first, Cabral did not give a categorical response to Manila Representative Joel Chua's queries.
For accuracy, Mr. Chair, of my response, I have to check the records in the office because I do not have the data.
She eventually responded to Mega Panel co-chair.
So, naalala niyo na po ba, Undersecretary Cabral?
I guess I barely remember, Your Honor. I think there was an interview that time.
No, it's just a question of a yes or a no. Do you remember it or no? Because it's a
yes, Your
it's an
Honor.
actual quote.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Paulo Duterte meantime questions the sudden shift of the House probe. He says in a statement Tuesday night, the discussion should return to Speaker Martin Romualdez and former House Appropriations Chairperson Zaldi Co. He adds, quote, "I have delicadeza, unlike now that the budget has become a family affair," adding, Davao has nothing to hide. Cabral's statement was used in a Politico story about Paulo Duterte's complaint about the House's move to slash his district's budget by 2 billion pesos in 2024. In the report, then Appropriations Chairperson Zaldico defended the move, saying Duterte's district already received 51.8 billion pesos in funds from 2020 to 2022.